I think you are. හැමෝටම මාව ඇහෙනව නේද? Please let me whether you can hear me or not. මාව ඇහෙනවද කොහොමද කියලා මට චුට්ටක් කියන්න පුතේ.
Can hear, teacher.
Okay. We are in the lesson of fraction. Okay, it is our third lesson. No? In the lesson fraction, we have discussed what are the fractions mean. No? අපි මොනවද fractions කියන්නේ කියලා අපි discuss කරලා තියෙනවා. We have discussed how to do the separate operations with fraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, and also we have discussed how to solve the expressions related to of term. Okay, when particular expression consists of term, then we replace of by multiplication in mathematics. Okay, we have done this separately. And today we are going to discuss if you have given a particular expression with fractions by including these operations more than one. Okay, that means if we have only addition, then we know we have to take common denominator and we have to add the numerators. Okay, then we obtain one answer. Then if we have multiplication, then we have to separately multiply the numerator and the denominator. If we have a division, then we have to replace by division by multiplication, and we take the reciprocal of the second fraction and we multiply numerator and denominator and we obtain the answer. Okay, likewise we know how to do the operations with fractions separately. But if we have more than one operation in a particular expression, then which operation should be done at first? මුලින්ම අපි කරන්න ඕනේ මොන operation එකද කියන එක. Then one student do addition, another one do multiplication. Okay, if there are multiplication and addition, then someone do addition and someone do multiplication first. Okay, then the two of the students will get different two answers, but for the same question there can't be two different answers. There should be one answer. Okay, so to avoid the obtaining two different answers for the two different people, then here what should be done? The order of the operation should be one. That means if someone do multiplication, then other one also should do multiplication. Then we should know that we have to do multiplication. Then this is set by the rule BODMAS. Okay, BODMAS rule කියලා එකකින් අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලාම කරන්න ඕනේ මොන operation එකද කියලා maths වලදී කියන. හරි, that's why we learned the BODMAS rule. This is include which operation we have to do first. Okay, so write down the today topic. It is simplifying expressions with more than one operation according to BODMAS rule. Okay, BODMAS. First of all, let's learn about what is mean by BODMAS. මොකක්ද මේ BODMAS කියන්නේ කියලා අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලාම බලමු. BODMAS indicate, or in the word BODMAS, it consists the order of the operation. What is the order? Order is if an expression consists of a bracket, then you have to solve what is within bracket. Bracket එක ඇතුලේ තියෙන operation එක simplify කරන්න ඕනේ to one answer. Then after, if it consists of term, then you have to remove all the of terms by replacing them by multiplication. Then after, if we have division, then we have to give the priority for the division first. Okay? Then if we have multiplication, next multiplication. Likewise, addition and subtraction is done at the last of the simplification. Okay, simplify කරනකොට අන්තිමට තමයි අපි addition and subtraction කියන operations දෙක කරන්නේ. හරිද? Okay. Let's write down in the BODMAS. B stands for brackets. Brackets. Okay. Then O. O stands for after. Then D. D stands for division. Next, M. M stands for multiplication. Then A. A stands for addition. Next, S stands for subtraction. Okay. You can write down this one. Okay, have you finished the writing? ලියාගෙන Hello.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Have you write the subtraction also?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then let's take for an example. Example 1. Okay. Then simplify. Okay. Look at this one. Okay. Now, you have given a particular expression. You have to simplify. That means you have to obtain one particular answer instead of this expression. මේ expression එක වෙනුවට අපිට එක answer එකක් ගන්න සිද්ධ වෙනවා. That's what we call simplification or simplify. Okay, then let's do it. Now, as I mentioned, in the rule of BODMAS, it indicates that to do the operation within brackets first. That means simplify brackets. B stands for brackets. That means simplify what is within bracket in a particular expression. Now there is a bracket, and within bracket it is addition. Addition of two fractions with different denominators. When we have fractions with different denominators, you have to convert this into a one new denominator. Okay, then to obtain one denominator, you have to take the least common multiple. Then how we find the least common multiple? How we do this one? අපි කොහොමද least common multiple හොයන්නේ? When we take 4,3, it is divided by 5 numbers. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 3 can't be divided, so take it as it is. Again, 2 is divided by 2, it is 1. Keep the 3 as it is. Now divide by 3. And LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so we obtain LCM as 12. Then to obtain 12 ගන්න නම් අපි මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ? We have to multiply 4 by 3. So you have to change the numerator also. Here multiply 3 by 4. So change the numerator as we change the denominator. So now 1 into 3 is 3. 4 into 3 is 12. And 1 into 4 is 4. 3 into 4 is 12. Of 3 upon 14. And now you can see here there are two fractions with same denominator. So you can add the numerators. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 over 12. As we have obtained one particular fraction instead of this bracket, so you don't need to put again a bracket to the fraction. Okay, because we have simplified a particular expression within brackets to a one fraction. Now of is replaced by multiplication. No? Then 7 upon 12 into 3 upon 14. Now look at how many 7s within 14? It is 2. How many 3s within 12? It is 4. Then 1 into 1 it is 1. 4 into 2 it is 8. Then 1 upon 8 is the answer for this long expression. Okay? Did you understand? පැහැදිලිද ඔයගොල්ලන්ට?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, you can write that down. Have you finished with the writing? Really very good.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, shall we go to another example? This is example 2. Okay, now let's see how to do this one. Here there is a bracket and you have to divide what is in bracket by 7 upon 8. Okay, let's see. Now actually to apply the BODMAS rule, you should know how we separately do the operations with fractions. Okay? Then look at, first of all, we have to simplify what is within bracket into a one fraction. Then here it is a subtraction of fractions with different denominators. So you have to convert it into one denominator. Then how we convert it into a one denominator? You can see 2 can be converted to 8. No? It is by multiplying it by 4. So you can change the numerator also. So 5 upon 8 subtract 4 upon 8. Divide 7 upon 8. Now denominators are equal, so you have to subtract the numerators. It is 1 upon 8. Divide 7 upon 8. When you have to divide two fractions, then you have to replace the division by multiplication and take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Then 8 to 8 cancel. So 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 7 is 7. So answer is 1 upon 7. Okay. Shall we go to the another example? How you deal with the bit? Have you finished? Hello. Okay, try this one by yourself. Okay, try to do this one. Please let me what is the answer we can obtain for this. What you have to do first. Here also, we have to simplify what is within bracket. Then here look at how we simplify brackets. Within brackets, it is off. Then off is replaced by multiplication. No? Then look at here, 2 upon 3. Off is replaced by multiplication, 2 upon 5. 1 upon 5. Now, you can see that there's no common factors to simplify in the denominator and the numerator. So you have to separately multiply the numerator and denominator both. 2 into 2 it is 4. 3 into 5 is 50. Add 1/5. Here we have convert what is within brackets to one particular fraction. Now here it is addition of two different addition of two fractions with different denominators. So you have to convert two denominators into one common denominator. How we do? We have to take the least common multiple. Here you can see that here it is 50. 5 can be converted to 15. It's by how? You can multiply this by 3. This denominator can be converted to 15 by multiplying 3. So then it is 4/15 added 3/15. Then we obtain the answer as 7/15. Okay. Yes, very good. Prasanthi has got the answer. 7/15. Okay. Now here I am going to give you a different question. Look at this one. This is our example 4. Have an example later. Now here you can see there is a mixed number in the beginning of the question. When you have a mixed number in the beginning of the question, before you apply the operations, you have to convert mixed number into an improper fraction. Okay, look at how we convert to improper fraction. We write the denominator of the proper fraction, then multiply 3 into 1. It is 3 and you have to add 1. It is 4. Add 2/5 of 5/6. And now, then after you can apply the BODMAS rule. Now, if any of you do the addition, then after apply the off term, then you will get different answer. And if another one do off term first and do the addition next, then she will get different answer. So to avoid this one, when you make a number, තමයි අපිට තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? BODMAS rule. අපිට BODMAS rule කියන එක තියෙනවා. Then මේකේ brackets නැහැ. එහෙනම් කවුද හම්බ වෙන්නේ ඊළඟට අපිට off හම්බ වෙනවානේ. එහෙනම් අපි off term method replace කරලෙමු multiplication, because then after you convert this into a 1, because you have to multiply these two and you obtain one fraction for this, then you have to add, because addition is after the off term. So 4/3 add. Look at here, 5 to 5 can be cancelled. Then 2 to 6 can be cancelled to 3. Then 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 3 is 3. So now it is very easy because denominators are same in this case. So no need to convert to a common denominator. Already it is a common denominator. So add the numerator. It's 5/3. Now here it is an improper fraction. When you obtain an improper fraction as an answer, convert it into a mixed number. Don't keep it as an improper fraction in the answer. So how do you convert an improper fraction into a mixed number? Divide the numerator by denominator. How many 3s in 5? It's 1. 1 into 3, 3. Then remainder is 2. So how you write? You start from the answer and come it like this. How? 1 and 2 2 is the numerator, 3 is the denominator. This is how we obtain the answer. It is different, it's because it is consists of a mixed number in the beginning of the question and we obtain an improper fraction as an answer. So you have to be careful about converting mixed number into improper fraction in the beginning of the question and converting improper fraction into mixed number at the last of the question. Okay. Okay, those who have finished with this, let's move to the fifth example. Okay, try to do this one. Now here also it consists of a mixed number. So mixed number එකක් තියෙනවා. Mixed number එක මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ? You have to convert it into an improper fraction. Then after begin to simplify. Please do it and send me the answer you get. Yes, let's see what is the answer is. බලන්න හද answer එක කියලා. හැමෝම කරන්න ඕනේ. මොකද කරලා answer එක දෙවන්න ඕනේ. හරි. Let's see. It is 5 upon 8 multiply convert mixed number into an improper fraction. It is 2, 3 upon 2. Division 15 upon 16. I look at here multiplication and division. When we take BODMAS, we have to give the priority for the division before multiplication. So you have to do the division. When you do the division, division become multiplication and get the reciprocal. It is 16 upon 15. And now all multiplication. So you can simplify. Look at 16 can be divided by 8. It is 2. Then 2 is divided by 2 is 1. 5 is divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 it is 3 is divided by 3 is 1. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. So the answer is 1. Okay. Hanisha, please correct your answer. Shall we move to the next example? Okay. It's example 6. Okay. 1 upon 6 is added to 2 upon 5 of 2 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 5. Okay. Apply the BODMAS rule. Send your answers. Okay, then let's see what is the answer is. අපි බලමු මොකක්ද answer කියන්නේ කියලා. According to the BODMAS rule, what you have to do first? BODMAS. Let's see BODMAS rule. There is a bracket, no? So you have to simplify what is within bracket. Then it is an addition of fractions with different denominators. So you have to convert this into common denominator. Okay, if it is difficult, you can divide by 5 numbers. It's 3, 5. Again, divide by 3. It's 1, 5. Divide by 5. Then least common multiple can be obtained. 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5. It is 30. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 5, 30. Okay. So now convert 6 into 30 by multiplying 5. 5 multiplied by 6. Then we can obtain common denominator. It's 5 upon 30 added 12 upon 30 of 2 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 5. Now here look at it is 17 upon 30 of now 1 bracket. What is within bracket? Reduced to a 1 fraction. මේ ලොකුවට තියෙන මේ expression එකම එක fraction එකකට convert. Then 2 upon 7 division 3 upon 5. Now look at again go to BODMAS rule. Then ආයෙමත් අපිට operations දෙකක් තියෙනවා separate. Go to BODMAS of the division. It is of so 17 upon 30 of his multiplication 2 upon 7 divide 3 upon 5. Now cancel 30 divided by 2, it is 15. And now 7 into 1, 17. 15 into 7. No? 15 into 7. It is 105. Divide 3 upon 5. Now it is a division. So now division is replaced by multiplication. Take the reciprocal of the fraction. Then 21. No? There's no 1. So 17 into 1, 17. It is 63. So answer is 17 upon 63. Okay, Resandi has got the answer. Very good. Hania, what about you?
Correct, teacher.
Okay, shall we do another one? Example. So, seven and 1 upon 3. Subtract 5 and 1 upon 2 of 2 upon 5. Okay, do this. Make a run balance. Okay, let's see what is the answer is. What the answer is here. First of all, before we apply the BODMAS rule, you have to convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. Okay, look at 3 into 7 is 21 plus 1, 22. Okay, 22 upon 3. Subtract 2 into 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 it is 11. 11 upon 2 of 2 upon 5. Then here it is a subtraction of two fractions with different denominators. So what is the least common multiple of 3 and 2? 3, 2. Divide by 2. Least common multiple is 2 into 3. Answer is 6. Okay, so convert 3 into 6 by multiplying 2. 22 also multiply by 2 multiplied by 3, 11 multiplied by 3. Okay, then 22 into 2 it is 44. 3 into 2 it is 6. Subtract 11 into 3 it is 33. 2 into 3 it is 6. Then 2 upon 5. Now subtract 33 by 44. It's 11. 11 upon 6 of 2 upon 5. Okay. Then of is replaced by multiplication. 2 upon 5. Now 2 is cancelled for 2 it is 1. 6 cancelled for 2 it is 3. That means the common factor of 2 and 6 is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 it is 3. So 11 into 1 is 11. 3 into 5 is 15. So the answer is 11 upon 15. Okay. Resandi has got the answer. Resandi has any answers? Okay. Let's move to the 8th example. Last one. Okay. You have to apply the BODMAS rule and get the answer. Okay. Because of the applications very good. Is 2 upon 5 multiply 5 upon 6 and 3 and 1 upon 7 of 3 upon 8. Okay, now try to simplify this one. Okay, why is it difficult? First of all, what you have to do? You have to convert all the mixed numbers into a proper fraction. Okay. Here look at, there are two brackets. When you have two brackets, convert or obtain one particular fraction instead of one bracket. Make bracket එකක් ඇතුලේ තියෙන කොහොම simplify කරලා එයා වෙනුවට එක fraction එකක් ගන්න. හරි. මේ ඔක්කොම වැඩ කරන්න කලින් අපි mixed numbers improper fractions කරන්න බලන්න. Look at here 5. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 sorry, 10 plus 2 is 12. You know, ඉතින් කරන්න පුළුවන්. 5 upon 6. And here denominator is 7. 7 into 3, 21 plus 1 is 22. Of 3 upon 8. Okay. So then after, we have to simplify this fraction into one fraction and this fraction into one fraction. Then after add the 2. Okay? මේ දෙන්න ඊට පස්සේ එකතු කරන්න. මෙතනින් වෙන වෙනම එන answers එක ගන්න. හරි මෙතන බලන්න. 12 divided by 6 it is 2. 5 answer for 5. So 2 into 1 is 2. 1 into 1 is 1. And look at here. We have to replace of term by multiplication. අනිවාර්යෙන් දැන් මෙතන මේක කපන්න එපා. මෙහාම කපන්න එපා. අනිවාර්යෙන්ම of term එක වෙනුවට multiplication replace කරලා ඉන්න. හරි. 22 divided by 2 is 11. 8 divided by 2 is 4. No other cancellations, no? That means there's no other common factors. 11 into 3 is 33. 7 into 4 is 28. No need to put brackets. Okay. Then after, here the denominator is 1. Here denominator is 28. So to convert this denominator to 28, you can multiply it by 28. So multiply this also by 20. It is 56 upon 28 and 33 upon 28. Then here 6. Now this is addition of two fractions with same denominators. Okay, let's see. It is 6 plus 3 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8 upon 28. 89 upon 28. Okay, this is an improper fraction. So you have to convert this into a mixed number. How many 28s are there within 89? 3. 3 into 8 is 24. 2 remain. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. So now how you write this one? In a minute. 3, then 5, next 28. It is 3 and 5 upon 28 is the answer. Okay? So we answer those who have got this answer before I take. Okay, if you have any doubts, now it's clear. Thank you, Tania,
Yes, teacher.
Resandi, is there any doubts? Okay, now actually here, this is there are many different kind of questions can be given. However, I cannot say that you will get this kind of question in the exam or the questions that I discussed before this question. They are different one to another. But what you should know is BODMAS rule. How you apply the BODMAS rule. What we have to do. Okay. The question. method that you have to follow is same. BODMAS rule. That means you have to remove the brackets first. Then you have to do the remove the off terms. Then you have to do the division. Likewise, you have to move according to the order given by the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule එකෙන් දීලා තියෙන order එකට තමයි හැම වෙලේම යන්නේ. හරිද? ඒකවල ගාඩ ගන්නට වෙනස් වෙනවා. ඒක ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැනගන්න ඕනේ කොහොමද මේ අපි යන්න ඕනේ මොකද්ද රූල් එක. ඔයාලා එකක් හරි වෙනස් වෙනවා. දැන් හිතන්න පුතේ ඕගොල්ලෝ මෙතනදී බ්‍රැකට් සෝල්ව් කරනකොට මේ දෙක එකතු කරනවා. ඒක අනිවාර්යයෙන් මතක තියාගන්න බ්‍රැකට් සෝල්ව් වෙලා එන්න ඕනේ. බ්‍රැකට් සෝල්ව් වුණාට පස්සේ තමයි ඊට පස්සේ පියවර වලට අපි යන්නේ. Hi, this is the end of the discussion of BODMAS rule related questions. Next, we are going to see that how we solve the questions related to fractions. Okay, that means applications of fractions. Write down the topic. Solving questions related to applications of fractions. Okay, Bhuti, please write down this question, and while you are writing, read the question. Okay, what they have given. මොකද්ද මේගොල්ලෝ මේ කියලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා හොඳට බලන්න. A person puts a slide. ඒ කියන්නේ මනුස්සයෙක් පැත්තකින් තිබ්බලු මොකද්ද? 1/4 of his salary. එයාගේ salary එකේ කොච්චරක්ද? 4 එක. Okay, 1/4 of his salary has been put aside for food. 𝐵 Then 1/2 for his business. 1/2 of his salary for his business. And he has saved the remaining amount. What fraction of his salary does he save? එයා ඉතුරු කරේ එයාගේ salary එකේ කොච්චරක්ද කියලා අහන්න. එයාගේ salary එකේ 4න් එකක් එයා කැමති. භාගය එයාගේ business එකකට. හරිද? එහෙමනම් එයා ඉතුරු කරපු ප්‍රමාණය හොයාගන්නේ කොහොමද? දැන් බලන්න පුතේ හිතන්නකෝ ඔයාලා එයාලගේ salary එක full salary එක අපි දන්නවා fraction එකක් කියන්නේ. It is a particular one part. Okay, one means one whole. Okay, then out of one whole thing, a part or a portion is considered as a fraction. Then we don't know what is the salary is, but I can consider it as a one whole. Okay, සම්පූර්ණ එකක් විදිහට සලකන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් මේ සම්පූර්ණ එකෙන් 4න් එකක් salary එකට sorry 4න් එකක් මේ කෑම සඳහා 2න් එකක් business වලට එයා යොදවලා තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් ඕගොල්ලෝ මුලින්ම බලන්න ඕනේ මෙයාගේ total එක මොකක්ද කියලා. ඒ කියන්නේ එයා ඉතුරු කරලා තියෙන්නේ කෑම සඳහා සහ business එකට යොදවුවට පස්සේනේ. එහෙනම් මුලින් බලන්න ඕනේ කෑමටයි business එකටයි එයා කොච්චර වෙන් කරාද කියලා. හරි. ඒක හොයන්න අපි මේ දෙන්නගේ total එක ගන්න වෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ for food and for business. You have to find the total of the fractions that he has spent for the food and the business. Then after we, as I explained, we consider his salary as one whole thing. Then we have to subtract that obtained fraction by 1. Okay, shall we do this? Okay, first of all, write down this one. Okay, have you finished? Okay, so shall we solve this one? First of all, let's find what is the amount he spent for his food and business. Okay, for food and business. it is equal to 1/4 added 1/2. Okay. Here also it is addition of fractions with different denominators. So convert 2 into 4 because easily we can convert by multiplying 2. Then answer is 1/4 added 2/4. Answer is 3/4. 3/4. Then after this is not the answer. Okay, then answer නෙවෙයි අපි ගන්න. අපේ අහන්නේ what fraction of his salary does he save? යා ඉතුරු කරපු fraction එක අහන්නේ. Then to find this one, fraction he saved. You have to subtract this value by 1. Then here it is 1. 1 is 1/1. කියලා අපි සලකන්න පුළුවන්. Then here denominator is 1. So convert it into 4. So 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 4, 4. 3/4 subtract by 4/4. Answer is 1/4. දැන් පුතේ මේ වැඩේ දැන් ඇත්තටම මේක දිගයි. හරිද? මේ මම ඔයාලට එක්ස්ප්ලেইন කරා. මේ වැඩේම තව කෙනෙක්ට කරන්න පුළුවන්. හරියටම එකපාරට මම මේක ලියවනවා ඔයාලට පැහැදිලි මේ නැති හින්දා මම හිතුවේ කෙනෙක්ට පුළුවන් අපි දන්නවා 4න් එකයි 2කින් එකයි. නේද? ඒ කියන්නේ 1/4 and 1/2 was the amount that is spent for food and business. It should be subtracted by 1, that is 1/4, to find the amount he saved. So you can subtract the sum of these two. So you can consider the sum of these two as one particular fraction. It is filled within brackets. Then from 1, එකකින් අපි අඩු කරනවා මොකද්ද? මෙයාලගේ sum එක. Sum of food and business. Okay, then if you simplify this, the same procedure you have to follow up, but at once you can obtain the answer without doing separate. Okay, මේ විදිහට හදලා ගන්න පුළුවන් answer එක. එතකොට මෙන්න මෙතනින් හරිය තමයි දෙක consider වෙන්නේ. හරි. එතකොට මෙතන එනවා 4 අඩුවීම 4 3යි. එහෙනම් උත්තරේ 4ෙන් කරන්නේ. Did you understand? ඔයාලට කොහේරි පැහැදිලි නැති තැනක් හරි මොන හරි ගැටලු තියෙනවා නම් මගෙන් අහන්න කියලා දෙන්න. Okay, පුතේ. Can you see my screen? හැමෝටම මගේ screen එක පේනව නේද?
Yes, teacher.
Hello. Please let me. Can you see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then write down the fourth question in the screen. Fourth question. Okay, have you finished with the writing? If so, let's discuss. A man spent 1/4 of his salary for food and 1/8 for transportation. Okay, you can see that as I did a question in before, they have given two fractions which are spent for two different purposes. Okay, 1/4 of his salary for food and 1/8 for transportation. Okay, and his salary is also given here. Find his total expenses as a fraction of the salary. Then to find the total expenses as a fraction, these words are very important. When it's given total, that means you have to take the sum of these two fractions. Then how we do? කොහොමද අපි කරන්නේ? You have to add two fractions. It's 1/4 is added to 1/8. Then how we find the answer? Here it is some addition of two fractions with different denominators. So to convert to one denominator, multiply 4 by 2. So numerator also change. Then we obtain the answers. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 4 is 8. It's 1/8. So it is 3/8. 3/8 is the answer for his total expenses as a fraction of the salary. Actually, what is mean by 3/8? අපිට මේ 3/8 වෙන එකේ තේරුම තමයි if the salary is 8/8, that means 8 equal parts are there in his salary. If his salary is divided into equal 8 parts, සමාන කොටස් 8කට බෙදුවොතින් එයා මොනවටද එයාගේ ෆුඩ්ස් වලට සහ ට්‍රාන්ස්පෝර්ටේෂන් වලට ඒ සමාන කොටස් 8න් 3ක් වෙන් කරලා තියෙනවා. හරිද? Find the amount of salary he spent. එයාගේ salary එකෙන් එයා වියදම් කරපු amount එක හොයන්න කියනවා. His salary is given. Now total expenses per parts, then 3 parts has been spent. Okay, that means if it is 50,000, 3/8 of 50,000 has spent for his or spent 3 out of 8 this week. අපි පොඩ්ඩක් බෝඩ් එකෙන් බලමු. හරි. බලන්න you have to find the, I think you have written the question, no? Question is written here. Find the amount of salary he spent. Amount of salary he spent is 3 out of 8 of 50,000. 50,000 වලින් කොච්චරද එයා වියදම් කරලා තියෙන්නේ? It is 3 out of 8. Then to find it, you have to multiply 3 out of 8 by 50,000. Okay. First of all, divide 50,000 by 8. Divide 50,000 by 8. So here we get the answer as 6,250. Now multiply 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 5, 15. 1 remaining. 3 into 2, 1. Sorry, 3 into 2, 6. Plus 1, 7. 3 into 6, 18. Then he has spent 18,750 in his salary. Then after us, find the remaining balance of the salary. Then how we find the remaining balance? අපි කොහොමද balance එක හොයන්නේ? Now this amount has been spent. So to find the balance, you have to subtract the amount he spent by his salary. යාගේ salary එකෙන් වියදම් කරපු ප්‍රමාණය එකතු කරන්න. Then we obtain the answer as 31,250. Okay, if you have finished this, look at the second example, and you can see the sixth question in this screen. Screen එකේ තියෙන sixth question එක ලියා ගන්න බලන්න. දැන් පුතේ ඔබ අද අපි fraction lesson එක ඉවර වෙනවා. එතකොට ඔයගොල්ලෝ කරන්න ඕනේ western province paper book එකක් ගන්න කියලා කියනවා මම හැමෝටම. western province paper book එකේ fraction related ඔක්කොම ගණන් ටික ඔයගොල්ලෝ හදන්න. හරිද? දැන් අලුතෙන් join වෙච්ච අය ඉන්නවා නම් මගේ පළවෙනි recordings ඔයගොල්ලෝ බලලා ඒ number pattern lesson and binary numbers කියන lessons දෙකේම questions හදලා ඉවර කරලා තියාගන්න western province paper book එකේ. හරිද? And when we have the time, I will take a class and I will discuss the questions in the western province paper book as a unit revision. Okay? The ඔයගොල්ලන්ට හොඳයි unit wise revision එකක් විදිහට western province paper book එක අරගෙන ඒකේ තියෙන දැන් ඕගොල්ලෝ ඉවර වෙන පාඩම් වල ගණන් ටික හදන්න. එතකොට ඕගොල්ලන්ට මොන හරි ප්‍රශ්න ආවොත් ඒ කියන්නේ වෙනස් විදිහේ ගණන් තිබුණොත් අපිට ඒක ඩිස්කස් කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඕගොල්ලෝ වැඩ කරලා මට එවන්න මම චෙක් කරලා ඔයාලගේ ආන්සර්ස් හරිද වැරදිද කියලා බලලා කියන්න. එහෙම නැත්නම් ඔයාලගේ ආන්සර්ස් ඔයාලටම චෙක් කරගන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම චෙක් කරලා ඔයාලට කොහේ ඩවුට් තනක් තිබුණොත් ඒක පස්සේ මගේ අහගන්න. ඒතකොට හැමෝම western province paper book එකක් අරන් තියෙන්න ඕන. හරිද? දැන් එතකොට මේ වෙලදී ඔයගොල්ලෝ වැඩ කරන්න පටන් ගන්න තියෙන්න ඕනේ. හරිද? දැන් grade 9 කියන්නේ grade 9 වලින් ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඊළඟට යන්නේ grade 10. ඒතකොට 10 වලට යනකොට මේ තමයි ඔයාලට basics. හරිද? ඒතකොට BODMAS rule එක දාලා කොහොමද fractions මේ fractions related expression එකක් simplify කරන්නේ ඊළඟට fractions related mathematical problems that means applications simplify කරන්නේ කොහොමද මේ ඔක්කොම ඔයගලන්ට මේ හම්බ වෙන basics මේවා එක තනි ප්‍රශ්න විදිහට ඔයගලන්ට grade 10 වල දෙනවා දැන් grade 9 වලදී විතරයි ඔයගලන්ට 2 hour or 2.5 hour paper එකක් හම්බ වෙන්නේ මේක සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම change වෙනවා grade 10 වලට grade 10 වලදී ඔයගලන්ට හම්බෙන්නේ 5 hours paper එක. ඒ කියන්නේ 3 hour paper එකකින්ම ඔයගලන්ගේ time එකයි paper එක සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම වැඩි වෙනවා grade 10 first term එක. ඒතර ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඒකට ready වෙන්න ඕනේ. එහෙම නැතුව ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඒකයි ඔයාලට grade 9 වලදී තියෙන පොත් තුනක්. එක term එකකට එක පොත ගන්න තියෙනවා. ඒතකොට ඔක්කේ තියෙන හැම දෙයක්ම මෙහෙමයි. පොත් තුනේම තියෙන content එක ඇත්තටම ගත්තොත් පොඩි ප්‍රමාණයක් තියෙන පොත් තුන ලොකුවට තිබුණාට එතකොට ඒකේ තියෙන බේසික්ස් ටික ඔයගොල්ලෝ හරියට මේ අවුරුද්දේ හදාගෙන grade 10 වලට ගියොත් ඔයාලට ගොඩාක් පහසුවෙන් ඉස්සරහට කරගෙන යන්න පුළුවන් grade 10. හැබැයි මේකේ තියෙන බේසික්ස් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට කැඩුනොත් එහෙම එතකොට පොඩි බ්‍රේක් අප් එකක් වෙනවා ඔයාලට ඉස්සරහට යන්න grade 10 වල subject මේ lessons වලදී. හරිද? එතකොට මේකේ තියෙන දැන් මේ fractions කියන්නේ numbers related ගණන් ඊළඟට algebraic ගණන් geometry මේ හැම දෙයක්ම ඔයාලා හරියට කොහොමද මේක කොහොමද කරන්නේ කියලා සහ හොඳ practice එකක් ඉස්සරහට යන්න. හරිද? ඒ හින්දා දැන් මම කිව්වා මුලින් ඉඳන්ම class එකේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ recordings බලන්න western province paper book එකක් අරගෙන ඒකේ තියෙන ගණන් එක අපි lesson එකක් ඉවර වෙන සැරේ මම කියන්නේ paper පිටින් නෙවෙයි unit wise ඔයගොල්ලෝ කරන්න පටන් ගන්න ඕනේ. හරිද? lesson එකෙන් lesson එකට ඒ ගණන් හතර ඉවර කරන්න ඕනේ. ඒකට අලුත් අය දිගටම class එකට කන්ටිනියු කරනවා. ඒ විදිහට යන්න ඕනේ. Okay, in the sixth question, balance sixth question again. A person travels 3/5 of a certain distance by bus. Yeah, bus එකකින් කොච්චරක් ගිහින් තියෙනවද? 3/5. ඒ කියන්නේ කොටස් පහක් තියෙනවා නම් කොටස් තුනක් ගිහින් තියෙන බස් එක. 1/3 of it by bicycle and the rest by walking. තුනෙන් එකක්. එතන කොටස් තුනක් තියෙනවා. තුනෙන් එකක් ගිහින් තියෙන bicycle. හරිද? ඊටර ටික ගිහින් තියෙන්නේ කිලෝමීටර් 5. The pine ප්‍රමාණය ගොඩ දීලා තියෙනවා 1 kilometer. What fraction of the total distance traveled by bus and bicycle? Then how we find this one? Please let me. කොහොමද අපි මේ කොටස ගන්නෙ? How we find the total fraction traveled by bus and bicycle? Yes. Can any of you explain this? Yes, Hania.
We have to add 3/5 plus 1/3.
Yes, we have to add 3/5 and 1/3. Very good. When it is given total, that means definitely you have to take a sum. That means you have to add given fraction or any number. Okay, here also it is a sum of two fractions with different denominators. So convert this into same or the common denominator by multiplying or by converting denominators into their common denominators. Look at 3 into 3, it's 9. 3 into 5, 15. 1 into 5, 5. 3 into 5 is 50. So 9 plus 5 is 14. upon 15. Then if there are 15 equal parts, out of 15 equal parts, 14 parts has been traveled by bikes and bicycle. Okay, this should be the answer. Find the total distance. Then how we find the total distance? Then when you have to find the total distance, here you will face some doubts how we obtain the answer. Here you have to think it like this. They have given the amount or the distance he traveled by foot. Sorry, on foot. That means it walked 1 kilometer. Then if we consider the fraction that he walked, it is 1 out of 15, because here if you consider if there are 15 equal parts, 14 parts has been traveled by bus and bicycle. Then remainder is 1 out of 15. No? Then 1 out of 15 is equivalent to 1 kilometer. That means you can consider it as 1000 meters. Okay? Kilometers. 1 kilometer. Then if 1 out of 15, that means 1 part is equivalent to 1 kilometer, 15 parts are equivalent to 15 kilometers, no? Because both sides multiply by 15. That means the total distance it traveled is equal to 50 kilometers. Calculate the distance traveled by bus and bicycle separately. Bus එකෙන් සහ bicycle එකෙන් ගිය ප්‍රමාණය වෙන වෙනම හොයන්න. Then by bus, how we do? By bus. He traveled by bus. They have given it is 3/5. Okay, 3/5 of 15 kilometers. Because 3/5 of his distance, total distance is 50. Then 3/5 multiplied by 50. Now divide 15 by 5. It's 3. 3 into 3 is 9 kilometers. Okay. Then by bicycle. It is 1/3. 1/3 of 15 kilometers. Then 1/3 of is replaced by multiplication 50. 15 is divided by 3 is 5. So answer is 5 kilometers. Okay. Here are the answers. Did you understand this part? Actually, there are many questions in the Western Province paper book. That means if you consider first term, second term, third term papers, there are, especially in the first term papers, there is a definitely one question in the paper related to fractions. If we consider grade 9 term test paper, it consists of 2 parts, first part and the second part. Okay. Then in the second part, there is a fraction related question. Okay. So try to find them and try to write the answers for them. Okay, hurry the answers here. Then I will send you a tutorial by the end of this month or at the beginning of the June. I will try my best to finish the tutorial and send it to you. Then I will discuss the questions in the tutorial also. Okay, and when the exam is close to you, I will discuss. I will do a unit-wise revision using the Western Province paper book. Okay. Okay. Shall we move to the another question? Look at the eighth one. හොඳට read කරන්න question එක. ඊට පස්සේ බලන්න ඉක්මනට answers ලියන්න බලන්න. It is mentioned that father gave 1/3 of the land to son and 1/2 to daughter. Son sold 1/2 of his part, not his. His part. එයාට හම්බුණු කොටසේ දෙකෙන් එක. Of his part. His part. And daughter sold. It is not given, no? Take it as 1/3 of her land. Right. යාලට දුන්නු ප්‍රමාණ වලින් මෙන්න මේ කොටස් යාලා විකුණනවා. හරිද? Find the land remaining with father. දැන් බලන්න මේ ගානේදී පළවෙනි කොටසට ආන්සර් එක හොයාගන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා බලන්න මේක හරියට මුලින්ම ඩිස්කස් කරපු එක්සැම්පල් එක වගේ ගානක් නේද? බලන්න තාත්තා කෙනෙක් එයාගේ පුතාට 3න් 1ක් සහ දුවට 2න් 1ක් දීලා තියෙනවා. එයාගේ ඉඩමකේ 3න් 1ක් සහ 2න් 1ක්. එතකොට පුතාට දුන්න ප්‍රමාණය දුවට දුන්න ප්‍රමාණය මුලින්ම බලන්න ඕනේ. ඒ දෙන්නගේ එකතුව කියන එක. What is the total that is given for his son and the daughter? Then after you have to consider the land owned by his father is a whole one. Okay, whole one means one. එකක් විදිහට සැලකලා අපිට අර පුතාටයි දුවටයි දුන්න කොටස භාගයක් විදිහට එනවා. එතකොට එකෙන් එන භාගෙ අඩු කරන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට මේක අපිට පහසුවෙන්ම කරන්න පුළුවන්. මම අර ඉස්සෙල්ලා ඔයාලට කියලා දුන්නා වගේ එකෙන් අඩු කරන්න ඕනේ. කොච්චරද අපි බ්‍රැකට්ස් ඇතුලේ ලියනවා. දුවට සහ පුතාට දුන්න ප්‍රමාණය. මෙන්න මේක අපි එකපාරින් ලියා ගන්න ඕනේ. හරි. ඉස්සෙල්ලාම ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේක ලියලා තව ටිකක් හිතන්න. Find the land amount sold by son and daughter separate. දුවයි පුතයි විකුණපු land separately හොයන්න තියෙන්නේ. ඒක ඔයගොල්ලෝ සෙකන්ඩ් සෙන්ටෙන්ස් එකෙන් තමයි ටික් කරන්න ඕනේ. If father kept 24 acres with him, find the amount of land remained with son and daughter. අක්කර 24ක් තාත්තා තියාගත්තා නම් ඒ කියන්නේ තාත්තට ඉතුරු වෙච්ච ප්‍රමාණය අක්කර 24ක් නම් එයාලගේ දුවටයි පුතාටයි ඉතුරු වෙච්ච ප්‍රමාණය අහනවා. ඒකද ඔයගොල්ලෝ මුලින්ම මෙතනදි කරන්න ඕනේ. ලෑන්ඩ් එක කොච්චරක්ද කියන්නේ තාත්තට ඉතුරු වෙච්ච ප්‍රමාණය මුලින් බෙදන්න කලින් සම්පූර්ණ ටෝටල් ලෑන්ඩ් එක කොච්චරද? ඒ ලෑන්ඩ් එකෙන්නේ අන්තිමට දුවටයි පුතාටයි ඉතුරු වෙච්ච ප්‍රමාණය හොයන්න. හරි. එතකොට පළවෙනි එකට අපිට ආන්සර් ගන්න පුළුවන් මෙන්න මේ. Subtract 1/3 and 1/2 by 1. එතකොට මෙතනත් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට එන්නේ it is a sum of two fractions with different denominators. So convert them into a one denominator. Then here we obtain the answer as 1/6. The amount that is remained with the father is 1/6. Second one, find the land amount sold by son. The පුතාට දීලා තියෙන කොච්චරද තුනෙන් එක. Then he has sold 1/2 of the amount he is received. It is 1/3. Then 1/2 of means multiplication. That means he has sold 1/3. එතකොට එහෙමනම් එයාට එයාගා මෙදින පුතා. The son. Then the daughter. It is 1/3 of the 1/2 because daughter හම්බෙලා තියෙන්නේ 1/2. Then 1/3 multiplied by 1/2, that means 1/6 has been sold. Find the size of the land. Can be find it like this. 1/6 is equivalent to 24 acres. Then 6 out of 6 is equivalent to then 24 multiplied by 6. 6 into 4, 24. 6 into 2, 12 plus 2, it is 40. That means 144 acres. Okay. Then the amount that is remain with the son. Find the amounts of land remain with son and daughter. දුවටයි පුතාටයි ඉතුරු වන ප්‍රමාණ අපි අහනවා කොච්චරක්ද කියලා. ඒකට විකුණලා තියෙනවා කොච්චරක්ද? එයාලට හිතන්නකෝ කොටස් 6ක් තිබුණා කියලා. කොටස් 6ක් තිබුණා නම් එයාලා කීයද? 6 එකක් විකුණලා තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් කොටස් කීයද එයාට ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ? කොටස් 5යි. දුවටත් එහෙමයි. කොටස් 6ක් තිබුණා නම් කොටස් එකක් විකුණලා තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් කොටස් 5යි ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ. හරි. මේකෙදි පුතේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ මුලින්ම කරන්න ඕනේ කොච්චරක්ද දුවට හම්බ 1/2 is given to daughter and 1/3 given to son. එතකොට පුතාට හම්බ කොටස් බලන්න කොච්චරද කියලා. amount I will erase this one. I will erase my yes. Amount given to son is equal to 1/3 of 144 acres. Then 1/3 means 1/3 into 144. Then divide it's 4, 8, 48. 48 acres given to son. එතකොට 48ක් පුතාට හම්බෙලා තියෙනවා. පුතාට ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ කොච්චරක්ද? පුතාට ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ 6න් 5යි. පුතා 6න් එකක් විකුණලා තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් remaining with the son remaining land with sun is equal to 5 out of 6 of 48 meters. Then 5 out of 6 of is replaced by multiplication 48. 8 into 5, 40. 48. Okay. Then after you have to find the amount given to his daughter, and then after you have to find the remaining land with the daughter. Okay. I will give this as a homework. The land remain with the daughters be found by you. It is the homework. Okay. So please do this and send your answers. Okay. Then maybe දිහටම මට ඕනේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ කොහොමද ගානක් හදාගන්න කොහොමද ගන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා බලන්න. එතකොට amount given to son is founded by multiplying the portion that is given to son into the total land. If so, to find the amount given to the daughter, you have to multiply the portion given to the daughter by the total land. Then after remaining one was 5 out of 6 for the daughter also. So 5 out of 6 bar of the amount given to the daughter. හරිද? එහෙනම් මේ කොටස ඔයගොල්ලෝ homework එකක් විදිහට කරලා මට answers එන්න. Okay, then I will stop the class here. Thank you for your participation. Goodbye. Good night.
Thank you, teacher. Bye, teacher.